Screen flickering in Steam on Windows 10 or 11 can be incredibly disruptive. We're going straight to permanently fix this. First, open your Steam client, head up to the top left corner and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now you will be in the Settings menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the Interface tab. Click on Interface. In the Interface settings, you need to look for a specific option. Look for the setting labeled Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views. This is usually found toward the bottom of this section. This option will have a checkbox next to it. Make sure to uncheck or turn off this option. This action disables the GPU acceleration that can cause the flickering. After unchecking this box, click on the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Steam will likely prompt you to restart the client. Make sure to restart Steam immediately to apply this powerful fix. This is a very effective solution for many users on both Windows 10 and 11. Method 2. First, close the Steam client completely. Make sure it's not running in the system tray. Now, find your Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the Steam application file or its shortcut and select Properties from the context menu. In the Steam Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab at the top. In the Compatibility tab, locate and click on the button that says Change High DPI Settings. This will open a smaller sub-window. In this new window, look for the section labeled High DPI Scaling Override. You'll see an option that says Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Make sure to check the box next to this option. This is the crucial step. Below this checkbox, you will find a drop-down menu for scaling performed by. Click on the drop-down menu and select System or System Enhanced. System is generally the safest and most effective choice for resolving flickering. Once you have selected System, click OK on the High DPI Settings window. Then click Apply and OK on the main Steam Properties window. Now, relaunch your Steam client. These two advanced methods address the most common root causes of Steam flickering on modern Windows systems. One for graphics rendering and one for display scaling. Your Steam client should now be running smoothly and flicker-free. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your experience in the comments below.